मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं आ रहा.
Good question.
Normal, शांत, gentle इंसान.
Yeah, so many times.
Can I say my name? मोक्षा यही बोल रही.
Mouth shut again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Impulse Coffee's official YouTube channel. I'm Bonaita, the social media manager.
And I'm Moksha Shah, the head of content. And today we're going to do the truth or drink challenge. I don't know why we're doing this, but we're doing it. And we've just had lunch, and now we'll have to have coffee shots. Obviously, that's our punishment for the drinks. This is the third part. The first one was where Sabrina and Sarah did one, then Sarah alone did one, and now me and Bonaita are here to do the third part.
So our team has prepared questions and neither of us know what they are. And I think we should drive straight into the video. But before that, if you all haven't checked out our apparel,
these
go
are our
check
two
out.
latest apparel pieces.
Yes.
And with this apparel piece, we've also launched Caramel Ka Kamal, which is already so loved by all of y'all. So if you haven't checked it out, go check it out as soon as possible.
Okay, I think we should start with the video now.
So we have our coffee shots right here, and Nicole is going to ask us some questions. So we can start. Nicole, should I?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you at work?
Work.
Yeah, even I have not
ऐसा
faced
कुछ
anything
है नहीं, yeah.
embarrassing.
Okay.
No, there's nothing embarrassing actually.
No, yeah.
सब अच्छा ही गया अभी तक touch wood.
That's yeah, but there's nothing so embarrassing. None of us get embarrassed also. सब ऐसे हंस देता so.
Have you ever pretended to be busy when you weren't?
I think everyone does that. Yes.
Laughter से ही समझ गया so. There's no this thing, yeah.
Yes.
Some very rarely, but yes.
Yeah, we do.
What's the most ridiculous thing you used to believe in?
मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आया, but I don't know.
मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं आ रहा.
I was like in third or fourth standard, ठीक है? So you know there was a thing, I don't know if you all know it or not. Whenever you used to see a yellow car or something, you used to pray.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but this was a very common thing, I guess. So whenever you used to see like a yellow car or a yellow vehicle, diksha ko chhod ke, you used to pray like there was one sentence, I don't remember the sentence. So we used to cross our hands and pray, and then we used to actually think it'll work. If you all know, let us know in the comments below.
मेरा तो कुछ नहीं है. I can't think of anything right now, I feel.
What's the biggest misconception people have about you?
I don't know. Okay, wait. Misconception. I don't know what misconception, but you want to say?
I think people like first impression of me is like people think that I'm a little rude, maybe.
Exactly what I was
Because
gonna
like
say.
this, like my personality is such that I don't open up to anyone. Like first meeting, क्या मतलब like 6-7 महीने also I'll know people and I'll take so long to like open up, and I'll speak very less, like to the point. So people think that I have an attitude problem or I am rude, that's why I don't talk to them. But it's not like that. I'm a very normal, shant, gentle insan. But the only thing is that I have problem in like socializing. Even though I do social media management, but still I have problem in socializing. I don't mingle around with people like as often or like as much as I should. And that comes off rude at most times, I feel. So I think that is a misconception like most people who meet me have, and like I get to know that later that yeah, they thought that I was rude.
Yeah, with me also I was gonna say the same thing. So with me it becomes like, oh, I think she won't talk to me because I don't know. अभी मेरा face ऐसा है. I don't know. I
Yeah,
can't
even
help.
like on my face, like it's very like
It's
resting.
resting bitch
I'm
face
like that.
ऐसा है. So people think that we are actually like those bitches who will not talk,
But we are not.
exactly, it comes off like that. I agree with Bonaita on this point because so many of my friends right now also, when you ask them, they say this only. I think I thought you wouldn't talk to me, or I thought you were so rude with a person with इतना सारा attitude, and I'm like, भाई मैंने क्या किया?
Yeah, I think this is a misconception, definitely.
What's the one thing you're currently struggling to accept about yourself?
Good question.
Struggling to accept. My God.
I think we should
I think I'll
drink.
also drink because
Yeah.
I have something, but I don't want
Can't,
to say
yeah,
it.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's like
So
you
I'll
would
also
rather drink. By the way, this is caramel ka kamal and it really tastes amazing.
ये black में first time पिया मैंने यार.
Obviously.
I mean, I'm not a black coffee person,
But it's
still
not kadwa.
Yeah, it's not. It's a bittery that coffee ka after. It's good. It's really nice.
What's the most embarrassing thing you've done in front of a crowd?
Embarrassing.
In front of a crowd. I don't think I've done anything because I'm like too coward to do anything embarrassing in front of a crowd. Like मैं नहीं करूँगी ऐसा कुछ weird या कुछ जिससे like crowd will look at me and say कि ये क्या कर रही है.
मैंने तो किया होगा भाई इतनी बार तो I think I would have.
But I think like when we had gone for the Vox Pop, like it's not weird. Like yeah, I was feeling thoda conscious because like everyone around like looks at you that like you know what are they doing? Mic लेके सबको क्यों questions पूछ रहे हैं? But it was not weird for me. Could be weird or like embarrassing for them. I don't know
For
if it
me,
counts.
must be have danced on the road so many times. Matlab, I will cross and I will. It's okay. I mean, for me, sometimes it's like when I'm just. It's my extroverted personality day. I will be like, ये मेरे को वापस नहीं मिलने वाला है. So I don't care. That guy doesn't know me. That girl doesn't know me. I will dance and I will walk off. Simple.
मेरे से नहीं होता है ऐसा. मैं नहीं कर
मैं बहुत ready रहती हूँ, but yeah, I've gone. I just remember I've just my friend was on one side, I was on the other side, and then I was in the middle and divider के उधर and I was dancing. I mean, yeah, okay.
If you could switch lives with someone from the team for a day, who would it be and why?
Someone from the team for a day.
Like team includes
All of us.
all of us, everyone, even Sarah.
Yeah. I know her answer now. क्या सवाल है? I mean, I know why you want to, but one thing could be that to just live a content creator's life, na?
Yeah, I love creating content. So I think
Yeah.
if I have to choose, I'll definitely choose our CEO, Sarah. Definitely. I mean, I love like what she does and I would give anything to do that. Like just create content. I know it takes a lot of hard work and I admire that so much about her.
I would probably choose Bonite, I'll tell you why. Because I want to experience the travel that she does. 2 hours every day just going. 2 hours every day coming. 4 hours, I mean, I can't.
ये
So,
2 घंटा नहीं लगता है,
कितना घंटे?
1 घंटा लगता है. So
Okay.
2 hours total.
अच्छा, okay.
4 भाई, I don't stay as out of Mumbai or anything. मैं मुंबई में ही रहती हूँ. 1 hour.
She says really far away, so I just want to experience that travel कि मेरे से तो कभी नहीं होगा, so why not?
What's the most significant sacrifice you've ever made for someone else?
I don't want
I
to
can't
say. I would rather keep my mouth shut.
I'll have the black coffee instead.
Agreed.
If you could go back in time and give advice to your 18-year-old self, what would it be?
दो साल भी नहीं हुआ
I mean, like cancel 2
Like a
years.
younger-
Younger version of yourself.
so many things to say. I don't know what to choose. Okay. I would probably say believe in yourself. Like I was very underconfident as like a younger child. I was like, I used to be very shy and I used to be like, I can't do this, I can't do that. Like I used to be like, yeah, I was the person who would think of what would people think actually. So one thing if I had to go back and say was like, it's okay, you have to do what you want to do and you have to believe in yourself. Don't think about what others think.
I think even like same for me, like to be confident. Like I was like very insecure, like especially about my height and like even like about how I look or like about my body, and it's like taken a lot of time to accept how I look like right now also. So this is the advice that I'll definitely give to my younger self.
What's the silliest fear you have?
I'm like very very scared of lizards. Like अगर एक room में तो I'll just like run out of that room. I am मतलब कुछ भी सामने आ जाएगा, but like lizard आता I can't just bear it.
For me, it's cats because I just find them very creepy when you see them at night. And I was like, and especially in my area, there are so many cats, but I'm just very scared because I don't know why, but I'm just very scared of cats. I'm like, आके कुछ कर दिया तो I'm just I can play with them with a distance.
I don't like cats. I mean, no hate to cats. but,
Even
like,
I love
kittens are
dogs.
fine.
I love dogs. But
Yeah.
it's okay. That yeah.
Who's the best dressed in the office, in your opinion?
Can I say my name? I think everyone like dresses very nicely.
ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. You have to say one person.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
ऐसा ही होता है. I will
मेरा नाम
drink.
देती हूँ. I think I like Sharon's style very much. She wears really fun clothes and like I really like her style definitely.
I don't know what to answer. I'll have a drink. Simple.
Have you ever pretended to understand something in a meeting when you actually had no clue?
Yeah, so many times. Like,
Yeah.
When if we're in a meeting and then after, हाँ Bonita, exactly क्या करना है?
बाद
Please
में आके पूछे
explain.
क्या करना है.
मेरे को नहीं समझ
definitely.
आया. But it's okay.
What's the most embarrassing song you have on your phone?
Embarrassing song.
ऐसे embarrassing तो मैं नहीं सुनती हूँ.
Song. One song I was really hooked to. It's not on my phone because of reels. Is that टमाटर वाला गाना?
I so hate Tamasha यही बोल रही.
At one point, I was like, whoever I see wearing red or something red, I was like, oh, tomato. So yeah, I mean, it's not on my phone, but I was hooked to it. So yeah,
I listen to decent songs only, not this Tomato and all.
everyone has heard it. Have you heard it? Exactly.
तूने ही
Everyone.
सुनाया था हम लोग को इधर.
So, this is the last question. If you were a fictional character, who would it be?
I don't watch so many fictional movies also, but I would live a life of a Barbie. Obviously.
My God, very girly answer हाँ Barbie.
Obviously.
मेरा दिमाग बॉलीवुड की तरफ जा रहा है. मैं से मेरे को ऐसा
बॉलीवुड
लग रहा
में
है.
बॉलीवुड में क्या फिक्शनल?
मतलब I'm just thinking of like a good character or something, you know.
क्या बन सकता है? मेरे दिमाग में गानी आ रहा है फ्रॉम रॉकी और रानी की प्रेम कहानी. एकदम बोल्ड बनाया था.
I think Deepika Padukone's character in Bajirao Mastani. I think her character is like so elegant and so strong, and I think I really like relate to her character somehow. So I think I would be that character. Yeah.
So that was basically it for today's video, and I think we did a pretty good
Yeah.
job. I mean,
मैंने सिर्फ 4 किए.
और मैंने 5. Good questions from Team Impulse. So yeah.
I think we did a great job. इतने questions में से like we just had I had 4 and she had 5. So I
Yeah.
think it's a good job on our part as
And
well.
half of them was I don't know wale answers
हाँ.
के shots. So yeah, it was nothing like कि I don't want to answer. Very limited, like I don't want to answer answers.
So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely leave some recommendations in the comments, like what other challenges you all want to see us doing or want Sarah doing.
And also don't forget to check out our latest collection, the Friendship Brew, which includes of the steel apparel and Carrot Milk Ka Kamal from our website. The link is in the description box below. And with that, we'll see you next time. Bye.
I'll like give this advice to my young. He comes to know. कि अभी हम लोग बोलने ही वाले हैं.
So my
Yes, मोक्षा बोल
Like
रही
when
है.
you were
you start, I won't start only.
ये क्वेश्चन स्किप करता अंकल को नहीं पसंद आया.
अरे ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.